You want to see what this one is?
Okay, yeah. Are you starting?
Yeah, it's already started.
Okay, so the one we left out is at 24 degrees.
You have that?
Yeah, and then this one is very hot and says 30 degrees, but it's going down. It said that it was 45 degrees in the water, but now it is going down.
And our sun moved from the table where we were, and it was 40 degrees when we were over there. Or was it 45, Shea?
Well, I put it back in the water, and it has risen to about 43 degrees.
Yeah, so it was 45 degrees in the water when you first opened it, right?
Yeah, and now inside the water, it's about the same.
Okay.
But then when you take it out, it went down really far.
All right. So, is that it?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.